Space looks beautiful from Earth, but that beauty hides something terrifying. Far beyond our planet, the universe is filled with objects so extreme that human language struggles to describe them. In this video, we're uncovering the scariest objects in the universe. Black holes that erase reality itself. Neutron stars so dense they break the laws of physics. Magnetars with magnetic power strong enough to destroy worlds. Rogue planets wandering through space like silent assassins. Gamma-ray bursts capable of wiping out life across galaxies. And the Boötes Void, a vast emptiness where the universe seems to vanish. These aren't science fiction. They're real. They exist right now. And compared to them, Earth is just a fragile dot in the dark. So turn off the lights, look up at the sky, and ask yourself, how safe is our place in the universe? Black holes. Imagine a place in the universe where gravity is so powerful that nothing can escape it, not even light, a place where time slows down. And once you enter, there is no way back. That place is called a black hole. Black holes are among the most terrifying and mysterious objects in the universe. They are formed when a massive star runs out of fuel and collapses under its own gravity. The core becomes infinitely dense, creating a region with unimaginable gravitational force. At the boundary of a black hole lies something called the event horizon. This is the point of no return. Once anything crosses this line, whether it's a spaceship, a planet, or even light itself, it is gone forever. If an astronaut were to approach a black hole, they would experience a horrifying process known as spaghettification. The intense gravity would stretch their body longer and thinner, ripping atoms apart before they ever reach the center. Black holes also distort time. To an outside observer, someone falling into a black hole would appear to slow down and freeze. But for the person falling in, time would move normally until everything ends. At the center of our own galaxy, the Milky Way, lies a supermassive black hole called Sagittarius A. It has a mass over 4 million times greater than the Sun and silently controls the movement of the entire galaxy. The scariest part? We cannot see black holes directly. We only know they exist because of their effects: stars disappearing, light bending, and space itself being twisted. Black holes remind us that the universe is not just beautiful. It is dangerous, violent, and unforgiving. Neutron stars. Imagine a star so dense that a single teaspoon of it would weigh billions of tons. A star so extreme that it can crush atoms themselves. This is not science fiction. This is a neutron star. Neutron stars are born when a massive star explodes in a supernova and its core collapses. What remains is an object only about 20 kilometers wide, yet heavier than our entire sun. All that mass is packed into a space smaller than a city. The gravity of a neutron star is terrifying. If you came within a few thousand kilometers, its gravity would pull matter directly off your body. Atoms would be ripped apart before you ever touch the surface. Neutron stars spin at incredible speeds. Some rotate hundreds of times per second, releasing powerful beams of radiation. When these beams sweep past Earth, we detect them as pulsars, cosmic lighthouses flashing through space. The surface of a neutron star is one of the most violent environments in the universe. Temperatures reach millions of degrees, and the pressure is so intense that electrons and protons are crushed together, forming pure neutrons. Even their magnetic fields are deadly. Some neutron stars, called magnetars, have magnetic forces trillions of times stronger than Earth's. From thousands of kilometers away, they could erase credit cards, destroy electronics, and tear molecules apart. At the center of a neutron star, physics itself begins to break down. Scientists believe the matter inside may exist in a state we cannot recreate or fully understand. Neutron stars are small, but they are among the most dangerous objects ever created by the universe. Silent, invisible, and capable of destroying anything that comes too close. Magnetars. Imagine an object so powerful that it can destroy technology from across space. A star so dangerous that it can tear atoms apart without even touching them. This cosmic nightmare is called a magnetar. Magnetars are a rare and extreme type of neutron star, formed after a massive star explodes in a supernova. What makes them different is their magnetic field, the strongest ever discovered in the universe. To put it into perspective, Earth's magnetic field is weak enough to protect us. A magnetar's field is trillions of times stronger. If a magnetar passed within just half the distance between Earth and the Moon, it could instantly wipe out every satellite, power grid, and electronic device on our planet. Getting close to a magnetar would be fatal long before gravity becomes a problem. Its magnetic force would stretch atoms, break chemical bonds, and rip molecules apart. Even from thousands of kilometers away, a human body would be violently destroyed at the atomic level. Magnetars are also known for sudden, terrifying explosions called starquakes. When the crust of a magnetar cracks, it releases massive bursts of gamma rays, the most powerful radiation in existence. In 2004, one such burst briefly affected Earth's atmosphere from 50,000 light-years away. The surface temperature of a magnetar reaches millions of degrees, and its intense energy warps the space around it. Scientists believe magnetars may even play a role in some fast radio bursts, mysterious signals coming from deep space. Thankfully, magnetars are extremely rare. Only about 30 are known in our entire galaxy. But make no mistake, if one were close to Earth, life as we know it would not survive. Magnetars prove that the universe doesn't just kill with force, it kills with invisible power, and somewhere in the darkness, they are still burning. Rogue planets. Imagine a planet drifting through space. No sun, no warmth, no warning. These terrifying worlds are called rogue planets. Unlike Earth or Mars, rogue planets do not orbit any star. They are planets that were violently ejected from their original solar systems after gravitational chaos or close encounters with giant planets. Once expelled, they wander the galaxy alone in complete darkness. Without a star, rogue planets are frozen wastelands. Surface temperatures can drop to hundreds of degrees below zero, turning oceans into solid ice and atmospheres into deadly storms. Some are as large as Jupiter, while others are rocky worlds similar to Earth, only infinitely colder and darker. What makes rogue planets truly frightening is their invisibility. They do not reflect sunlight, making them almost impossible to detect. Scientists usually find them only when they briefly bend light from distant stars, revealing their presence for just a moment. If a rogue planet entered our solar system, the consequences would be catastrophic. Its immense gravity could disturb planetary orbits, trigger massive asteroid impacts, or even throw Earth out of its stable path, leading to global extinction. Some scientists believe there may be billions of rogue planets drifting through the Milky Way, possibly more than the number of stars themselves. That means countless massive objects are silently moving through space right now, unseen and unpredictable. Even more unsettling, certain rogue planets may still contain subsurface oceans heated by internal energy, raising disturbing questions about life existing in complete cosmic isolation. Rogue planets are not violent by nature. They don't explode or emit radiation. They are far more terrifying than that. They are silent, they are invisible, and they move through the universe without mercy. In the darkness between the stars, they roam. Gamma-ray bursts. Imagine an explosion so powerful that, for a few seconds, it releases more energy than the sun will produce in its entire lifetime. An event capable of wiping out life on an entire planet from across the galaxy. This is known as a gamma-ray burst. Gamma-ray bursts, or GRBs, are the most violent explosions ever observed in the universe. They occur when a massive star collapses into a black hole or when two neutron stars collide. In that moment, narrow beams of intense gamma radiation are fired into space at nearly the speed of light. These bursts last anywhere from milliseconds to several minutes, but their impact is devastating. If a gamma-ray burst were aimed directly at Earth from within our galaxy, it could strip away the ozone layer, expose the surface to lethal radiation, and trigger a mass extinction without a single warning sign. What makes gamma-ray bursts even more terrifying is their precision. They are not explosions in all directions. They are focused like cosmic sniper rifles. If the beam is not pointed at you, you're safe. If it is, there is no escape. Astronomers have detected gamma-ray bursts from billions of light years away, yet they were still powerful enough to affect our planet's atmosphere. One burst recorded in 2004 was so intense it briefly altered Earth's upper atmosphere from across the Milky Way. Scientists believe gamma-ray bursts may have caused mass extinctions in Earth's distant past, long before humans ever existed. The scariest part? They happen randomly. No countdown, no warning. Just instant destruction. Gamma-ray bursts remind us that the universe doesn't need to come close to kill us. Sometimes, all it takes is a perfectly aimed flash of light, and somewhere out there, another one is already forming. The Boötes Void. Imagine a vast empty region of space where something seems to be missing. No stars or galaxies, just endless darkness. This terrifying cosmic mystery is called the Boötes Void. Discovered in 1981, the Boötes Void is one of the largest empty regions in the universe ever discovered. It spans about 330 million light-years. To get a sense of how vast it is, it would take millions of years for light, traveling at the fastest speed possible, to cross it. Within this empty space, there are almost no galaxies. Where scientists expected to find thousands, they found barely a few. It's like a giant hole dug into the fabric of the universe. What's truly disturbing about the Boötes Void is that it shouldn't exist. According to our understanding of cosmology, matter should be distributed more evenly. Yet, here lies a region of almost complete emptiness, defying everything we know about how the universe was formed. If you were somehow inside the Boötes Void, the night sky would be almost completely black. No familiar stars, no twinkling galaxies, just silence and solitude on a scale that the human mind cannot comprehend. The Boötes Void reminds us that the universe is not always full of wonder. Sometimes it is defined by absence, and that emptiness can be the most terrifying thing. The universe is vast, dark, and unforgiving. If these objects exist out there, remember, space isn't empty.